La Priang Sabha Ulat Kejela UCH Vijaya Shankar, the Chief Executive Member ke KHADC ubak Penyat Sing Siem, Chairman ke KHADC ubak Lam Prang Bla, Unang Ilam Kaliang Persya ubak Titas Starwell Khan, ke Executive Member ke MDC ke Officer ke Nong Tray ke Council, Uleng Dok ke Mawphlang bat kiwe-kiwe. Haswab ulat undet derung ban pej ya kalau kentang ulayo ekjing batai ke babania asyapang gadinga klau kabaladon kombapalat news pak snem ya kabala penek pensa haduk kini gisni ke bamenta. Ulat ule keren ru bat ki guide ke belam kinong jengok kai shknika klau bat ki bai ke jeng batai rukum jo. Dalor kane ule keren ru bat kinong elam kahima bat kinong elam shnong bat kilong keme ki badan haki self help group. Habakran ke jeng elang ulat kejela u Vijaya Shankar ula ong bakum unong shong shnong ka Mysore kalong ka bae ban ong baki be ki jaka ki kam itna chosho bane ka Mysore. Hendrei haba ulawan sa Meghalaya u haban kubur ke jeng shisha ba ka Meghalaya kalong kum ka Bneng. Ulalong ulalong Menteri Ketenat Forest bar Environment ha ke Sarkar Karnataka bat ulalong ru udkhot jong Standing Committee ke Parliament halor ki klau ki betap. Komta utip bahai ke jinglong kongsan jong ki klau. Bat ula pulih ke history berok ke jong dari India ha ke wedai bat ke Ayurveda bat National Plants. Bat udap da ke jing snow sarong. Bat ulalong baladadan ni ke Shlem jong Ayurveda baladadai badan ya ke Shlem Medicinal Plant. Komta ke jaka ke Bneng kong kadai ke Meghalaya ke badai ke Shlem jong Ayurveda. Bat ke Western Ghats kandai ke Bawan Baar. Hadian kani ulat kejela ulalit banjengo iki jingtai ke badan haka Khasi Heritage Village hendrei ula penlot por Kambon haka menit jengo eka lau kentang haka bola rung syapo jong eka lau kentang ban pet iki jingtung beper ki bami bat don haka nika klau bala rimha ya ka bala pendek pensa degi pateng la pateng. Ulat ule keren ru bat kinong jengo kai bat ki kena skul ki bana kejela asam ke balawan ban pet kai ya ka nika lau kentang.
See, this is the actually beauty of Meghalaya. It is a God grace. Our forefathers, actually, they have been built up a society in such way, they have balanced everything. And regarding democracy, our gentleman, he was telling, you see, 700 years, 800 years back, if at all you are able to see the true democratic way, how things have functioned here, that actually, credit goes to we people. Being Adivasi people, they have been accepted a true democracy. They have been adopted. Ultimately, they have been cultivated and continued. Second thing, I make it very clear, cottage industry, agro-based industry. Don't bring anything from outside. I was a small-scale industry minister also around Karnataka. So keeping that in mind, agro-based industry, cottage industry, self-help groups are here. You people conduct workshop for them. We can bring any people from Delhi, any officer, any trained man, whoever you wish. I will say that most of the ministers in the central government, they are good friends of mine. They are my colleagues because twice I was the member of parliament. So I know many of them. Even Shobha Karandlaje, small-scale industry minister in the union government. She is from my state. She is almost like my younger sister. I know her since 25 to 30 years. Supposed to bring Shobha, the minister, small-scale industries, in view of developing cottage industries. You tell me at what time you have to bring them here. All the central government officers and ministers. It is I take the risk and we ask them to come here. We conduct a workshop from here only. We start that workshop from here only. In that way, two things. We have reached to work at home, our sisters. You allow them to work by holding cottage industries. It is an earning source for them. And younger generation, education, that we should not forget. I being a Mysorean, it is very difficult to say this place is more beauty than Mysore. But after I come here to Meghalaya, it is inevitable for me. I have to accept the truth. It is really, Meghalaya is really heaven, I say. It is really heaven. You are living in heaven. And whenever the issue of Ayurveda and medicinal plant comes, I have been served as a forest minister, Government of Karnataka. I know the importance of forest. the Ayurveda hub, if at all medicinal plant hub, you can say first place always goes to Meghalaya. It is Ayurveda hub. It is a medicinal plant hub. Other than Meghalaya, if at all you are able to quote any other place in India, it is Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Next place goes to Western Ghats. We have to think very seriously beauty of the nature here. And one more thing I am very proud to say, I have to study a few more, and you being senior persons, you have to enlighten me in that way. Some of the senior men, as soon as I had come here as a governor of Meghalaya, after taking my oath, some of the senior men he had come to me just only, it was a courtesy call. He being a senior person, when I was talking to him casually, by that time he made me one thing clear. You see, Mr. Governor, you go anywhere in any part of Meghalaya, show me even a single beggar. Show me even a single beggar. You won't find even a single beggar. You go anywhere in any part of Meghalaya. It is not any joke. It shows the self-respect. How much you people command. Self-respect. You have given more priority to that other than any other issues. Self-respect. Things should not comment to us. We have to comment these things. This is the actually, it shows your way of life. Way of life.